Oh, yes, he's okay on the bridge. Oh, no, he's not. Struggling a little. It's all right, Archie, go on. These gates depict the history, the mining, the railway. See if Archie likes this bridge. Go on then, Arch. It's your favourite pastime. Oh, yes, he's okay on the bridge. Oh, no, he's not. Struggling a little. It's all right, Archie, go on. Go on then on the bridge, you're fine. It's okay.
Yeah, it's the gaps between the slats that he doesn't seem to like.
Ooh, what we got here, pond life. Enjoy the view. Please don't climb down to the pond. I can't even see the pond.
It's a bit overgrown.
Must be down there.
Yeah.
Pretty flowers. This was the old viaduct, and what runs beneath was the old Leeds railway line. And now we're going up this man-made walkway up onto some wooden steps. Yes, Archie's wearing his new harness, and it's got a handle on it so we can help him get up steps. Hello. Get up steps or go down steps. Come on, keep going. I'm afraid we're not there yet, Arch. That's it. Oh, you're a clever boy. Ready? Up, Archie. That's it. And again. And again. There's a good boy. There you go. Watch you don't go near the edge. Good boy. And at the top there's a little sitting area. You can look over and look at the views.
Yeah, sort of like going up that way.
It's a nice view, isn't it?
It's lovely, yeah. The campsite is over that way. I can report.
That's really good. And she went straight through the water. Good boy, Archie. Right, we're going in to Oakwell Hall. Here we are. A beautiful hall. Built in 1583. Hello. Oh, hello. Are you the butler?
Welcome to Oakwell Hall. We're here in the Great Hall, and this house was built in 1583 for John Batt. The room sets are set out as they would be in the 1690s, and it was set out as a post-Civil War household. The Batt family lived here for several hundred years, and it also has its place in literature, being in the novel Shirley by Charlotte Bronte, published in 1849.
Oh, wow.
Hey, does that say Earnshaw?
Where?
Oh, in the middle? Yes.
See that?
Can you see
I
it?
must take a picture of that.
And
Wow.
Heathcliff is
Heathcliff.
on there a fair bit.
Kathy.
Yeah.
Catherine.
Do you think those
It's
are
real.
I don't think they are, do you?
It's from the TV series.
Yeah, Wuthering Heights, that's why.
But that's good, isn't it? With the Earnshaw.
Yeah.
First of all, this room was very cold. There is a story of a ghost at Oakwell Hall. His name was William Batt, the owner of the hall. He was seen walking into the house and then vanishing. Earlier that day, he'd been killed in a duel in London.
Oh, many children died and didn't survive their first year. Can't imagine that, can you?
Coordinated.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, that looks good.
Let's have a look at you, Julie. Oh, perfect. You look beautiful. Turn it that way so we get the full length. So, and here is Jenny.
All in black.
All in black. What a lovely get-up to go out for lunch.
It's a bit hot.
Bit hot.
Yeah, a bit warm.
Ooh la la. We're just going to the Willows coffee shop for a drink.
I'll pay for them to go to one round here.
This is the gardens at the back of the hall. There's Jenny. Woo. Poppy. And then there's Kev there in the background. We had a very interesting evening out at a sound bath meditation run by Tracy's sister-in-law. I have never been to one before and found it very, very soothing and relaxing.
On Thursday night, we all went for a superb Indian meal at a local restaurant. Well, not all, as Julie and Jenny volunteered to stay behind at the campsite to look after the dogs.
Got Bob here sitting at his barbecue. What are we cooking, Bob?
This is corn and it's marinated barbecue sauce, lemon juice, some spices. I'm going to add some
Peppers.
peppers a little bit later and a bit of rice.
Looks very nice.
Hawaiian apparently.
Yeah, because we've got a Hawaiian afternoon night, haven't we?
We've got pineapple in there as well.
Oh, pineapple as well. It looks very nice. Trev's cooking sausages.
Yeah, I've gone green with my electric down here.
Yep. He's got his bluetti.
Yeah.
Using the electric. And
teppanyaki.
yeah, teppanyaki. And then we've got Kadak Joe. There he is, look. And what are we cooking here then?
I'm cooking burgers and sausages.
Burgers
Then
and
I will
sausages.
be cooking onions.
Onions, yeah.
Then I will be finishing off baked potatoes.
Right, you are. Baked potatoes. That's
Yes.
great. That sounds really good,
Right.
Joe. Brilliant.
So
I'll
that's
come
what
back.
I'm going to try and do.
Try and do. I like your get up. It's lovely. Let's get a close up of that apron. Yeah, brilliant.
You want to have a
And your
my
hat,
hat there?
yeah. Oh yeah, can't see the writing. Yeah, Kadak Joe. There you go. I'll come back in a little while when things are cooking a bit more. What Kev's doing? What do you call that? A Kadak cooker, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is, yeah.
And you're
I'm just boiling up some potatoes there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
yeah, and
So I'll come back to you when things are on the move.
Yeah.
And can I just see Tracy? Here's Tracy, look.
Hello.
She's baking or cook. What are you doing?
Cooking.
Just cooking. She's got lots under there, look.
Look.
Oh, pineapples and cheese.
Cheese and pineapple. Were you ever a good mother if you didn't make pineapple?
No, you
and
had
cheese?
to, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Compulsory.
looks really good.
So I'm just doing a series or a selection of kebab to go
Right.
on.
Okay, we'll see you later. All right, we're back at Kadak Joe. Oh, that looks nice, Joe.
Yeah,
Got
the
onions
burger's
going
almost
now.
done.
Burgers nearly done.
Yes.
Sausages.
Then I'm going to put the roast potatoes to warm them up.
Oh, to warm them up in there.
Yeah, warm them up. And then sausages, fried onions, lovely.
Wonderful. Looks really good.
Yeah.
Very nice. And I see you've got a pint on the go. What are you drinking? Old speckled hen.
Old speckled hen. Yeah.
Very good. Right, we'll move on then to Trev. What have we got here now? Oh, we've got
We're getting on.
burgers as well.
We're getting on, yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit slow.
What have we got here, Bob?
Tilda rice.
Tilda
in here.
rice. Oh,
Yeah, just warming
jolly
it up
good.
in here.
And then we've got the corn over there with the peppers in now.
That, yeah, that's
That
all
looks
cooked
really
up.
nice.
And we
Archie,
mix
come
it up
back.
all together in the same bowl, don't we?
Yeah.
I've never had this before, so I've no idea what it is.
Looks
It's a
alright,
Hawaiian
smells
recipe,
alright.
Yeah.
And what about your drink then, Bob? What are you drinking?
What am I
Just
drinking? Speckled hen, of course.
Speckled hen.
Speckled hen.
Cheers. See you in a bit. Right, I'll go back this way. And he's now got the barbecue on. Everybody else is nearly done, Tony, and we haven't even started.
Mine won't take long.
Mine won't take long. So what are we doing here then, Tony?
I'm gonna do strips of steak, peppers, in teriyaki sauce,
Yeah,
and a bed of vegetable rice. Have a bit of pie.
pineapple on it as well. We're going to grill those on there, aren't
Grill,
you?
yes.
Yes.
So hopefully it'll turn out all right.
Yeah, and then what's the other dish you're doing?
The other dish is salmon.
Salmon
bed of
on a bed of rice. Oh, lovely.
We'll see how
Okay.
it will turn.
Tony's got the steak on the Kadak, and we've only used this Kadak 2 or 3 times, have we, Tony, since we've had it?
Yeah.
So we're going to cook that, aren't we? And at the same time, you're putting some peppers on there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. And then we're going to put that on a bed of rice, is that right?
Yes.
Hi Kev, I'm back again. See, he's got his glasses on as well now.
have, yeah.
Yeah, oh, the potatoes are bubbling away.
Yeah. Listen,
Yeah.
just listen to this. I've just learnt this tip.
Right.
Right. Okay.
Right.
This is because my friend Gino's just come and he's a really good cook.
Yes.
Right. So he's come in and straight away he says, "What are you making here?" And I says, "I'm making Nonna Maria's Maria's mum."
Oh,
Italian."
right, yes.
Right. So I'm making Nonna Maria's potatoes.
Right.
So he says, "How long have they been boiling?" I says, "Well, I just put them on 5 minutes before you came." And I come in here, El, right?
Yeah.
So this is how you tell
Yeah.
potatoes are
Okay.
Yeah.
cooked. So you can see round there, it's
Yes.
darker,
Yes.
and in the middle it's whiter.
Yeah.
Right.
So the white are cooked from the outside in,
Ah.
right? So obviously here it's cooked,
Yeah.
and here it's still white.
Not
till
quite
it's
right,
rock
yeah.
hard, So when it all goes that colour, that's when they're
Right.
cooked.
They're done. Oh, you've got a tip there.
Yeah,
And
that's
what
the
are you
tip, yeah.
drinking then, Kev?
Oh, Warsteiner German
Warsteiner,
beer, yeah.
yeah.
Nothing to do with the white.